Who are you? You're a pro. Where do you live? Well, apparently here. And here. In your trusty Chariot. Because when it comes to being 24/7 for repair work, you're the kind of pro that's always good to go. From electrical to painting, you're on call to do it all. There's nothing like the feeling of saving the day, especially when it's a rainy one. And believe it or not, that's mostly why you do what you do. Put it this way, you know that a 2x4 is just an easier way to say 1.5 by 3.5. And if something is unlevel, even by 4 degrees, you can spot it. As a pro, you know what products get the job done right, because the only corners you ever cut are with one of these. Take it from this guy. The man on the can and the man in the van ride together. The Flexio family of products, because it works.